Hello cuties! Today we are going to learn subtraction. Do you know what is subtraction? Subtraction, like we have lot of things and we have to give it to someone. So we are giving, and that giving is like something is getting less from our side. So that is called subtraction. Okay? So now suppose your favorite is, tell me what is your favorite? Pizza, right? So we are having pizza. So suppose we have a big circle pizza, okay, and obviously pizza have 6 7 pieces. Now suppose this is pizza, it's fine. I think I put a lot of chocolates in that, but it's okay. So suppose we have a pizza and your friend come and take one piece, okay. When they taken a one piece, what will happen? This is get removed, right? So now you left with how many pieces? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. You have only 7 pieces left now. One piece is taken by your friend. Now one another boy, who is your best friend, come and take this pizza. This pizza, okay. Now it is also get removed from your pizza plate. Now how many pizza left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Only 6 pieces of pizza left. Now one another friend of yours who came and took this piece of pizza, what will happen? This is also get removed from your plate. Now how many pieces of pizza left in your plate? 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5. Starting, I have 8 pieces. Okay, now one of my friend took one piece, right? So how many left? 7. After that, he came. Who is he? Anyone. Who? Then he came and he took one more piece of pizza. How many left? He came and took one more piece. How many left? 7 minus 1. So it will be 6. Only 6 pizza left. Okay. Now only 6 pieces left, and one of your friend came and say, "Can I have one?" You said, "Okay, take one." When he take one, how many left? 6 minus 1, 5. Only 5 will left. Then papa, mama, brother, sister, all will take. So what we are doing here? 8 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6 minus 1. What we are doing? We are subtracting. Means we are reducing. Your big pizza is now reduced. It's 3 pieces of pizza gone. When we are taking, what is subtraction now? Now you get it. What is subtraction? Subtraction is a thing when we are taking one number or many number from a number, or we are taking out, that is called subtraction. Like here we are doing, right? So now we will try and we will do in a numerical way. Now you will be able to understand through pizza that what is happening, okay? So now first we start from one digit number. One digit number is what? 1 to 9, okay? First we have to start with one digit number. Suppose we have 8. 8 minus 3. Can you tell how much it is? Okay, take out your 8 fingers out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 minus 3. 1 2 3. It's gone. How many left? 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5 left. So the answer is 5. Now we take another example like 7. Okay, 7 minus 5. Can you tell 7 minus 5? Do fastly. Take out your 7 finger out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left? 2. So answer is 2. Now take out like 4. 4 minus 2. Oh, 4 minus 2. Take out fastly. Who will do fast? Let me check. 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2. 1, 2. Okay, this is 2. Now we will take 9. Okay, take example of 9. 9 minus 1. Okay, 9 minus 1. Who will tell? Who knows the answer? Tell me quickly. Tell. Okay, 9 minus 1. Take out the fingers, 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers minus 1. 1. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. So means 9 minus 1. 8. Very good, kids. Now we will do an example of 2-digit number. 2-digit number start from 10 to 99. Just remember, okay? Now we will do a 2-digit number. Get ready. Now we start with 2-digit number. 2-digit number, first we start with the first 2-digit number. That is 10. 10 minus 9. Who will tell? 10 minus 9. We will take 10 fingers out and we have to subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What will left? 1. So answer is 1. Yes, you are correct. Now tell me answer is like we'll take 15. 15 minus 5. Who knows the answer? Now how to do 15 minus 5 in this way? It's a bit difficult, right? So now we will change the pattern. Like we will write it like this. Because we have to write ones, tens. I will tell you what is ones and tens in the next video. Okay? Now we take another example. Like we have 15. 15 minus 5. Now can you tell me what is the answer? 15 minus 5. Do 15. 5 minus 5. What will be answer? 0. And 1 will come down quickly. So answer is 10. We take another example like 16 minus 3. What will be the answer? 6 minus 3. We have to do, first we have to do this side. Then we have to do subtraction on this side. But we are learning this side only. So 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3. So we have to subtract from 6 only. We don't need to subtract from this number. Okay. 6 is there. So we have to subtract from 6. So we will take out the 6 finger out and we have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers left? 3. So we will give that 3. And here there is no number, means it's 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. So it's 1. Okay. Now we take another example like we will take 28 minus 4. Now tell me that. We have a number 28 minus 4. So we have to subtract 8 minus 4. Take out finger 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 4. So we will write it down 4. And here we'll simply, because in front of 4 there is no number, means it's 0. So we will 2 minus 0, 2. So we will keep it down 2. That's it. Now you learn how we do it, subtraction in this way. Kids, we have to practice, okay? Slowly we will get expert in this. So today I am giving some worksheet. Just note it down your copy and try to resolve it, okay? Are you going to resolve, right? I'm giving you some example and you have to solve it. and you have to try to solve it. 10 minus 4, 26 minus 6, 12 minus 5 minus 2. Kids, can you do this? Okay, we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.